everyone, welcome to Creative Chelsey. A couple days ago I received my April Paper Pumpkin kit, Sentimental Rose, and I thought it'd be fun to make a quick card together. We are going to be making this cute thank you card. Okay, so let's get started making this card. I'm going to stamp all my pieces first. So the kit comes with the gray granite Stampin' Spot, just going to stamp that over this pink spot. And I love that distinctive stamp set and how it shows all those different kinds of shading. Let's do our leaves next. If you don't have one of these piercing mats to stamp on, you should get one. They are great when stamping with photopolymer. Alright, so that piece is done. Let's do the thank you. It came out a little crooked. That's okay. Alright, so all the stamps are done, so let's assemble. So your kit does come with some glue dots, and you can use that to assemble. I like to use my adhesive, especially when doing large pieces. I also like leaving a little bit of this background on the side. And then I cut 18 inches of the twine. That should be enough. And I tie a knot so it doesn't move around on me before I tie my bow. Cute. And then we'll just adhere the pieces. This one we'll put here. This one we'll add some dimensionals to, just in the middle. And then we'll add some gems. Okay, so we're done. Such a cute card, and so quick and easy to make. Don't forget that next month's Paper Pumpkin kit is a special kit inspired by Shelley Gardner. If you don't have your own subscription, make sure to subscribe before May 10th. And I'll leave a link in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and share. Visit creativechelsey.com for more information about Paper Pumpkin and to start getting your monthly kit. Have a creative day. Bye!